and welcome back to my channel. I am Vane and I love to clean, declutter, and organize my home as well as decorate every season. In this video, we are going to be cleaning before we start decorating for fall. Before any cleaning session, the first thing I'd love to do is make a big list of all the tasks that need to get done. The first room on our list is the laundry room, which I find it to be the messiest right now because we just bought a lot of PJs for Ollie. So as you can see, I'm picking up all the hangers and tags and grabbing them and putting them back in his room, and then all the tags and all the little stickers in the trash they go. Next, I like to group like items together so I know the size of the container that I'm gonna need and or where I'm gonna put them. I was so excited to create an ASMR video for my Instagram using my gimbal for the first time, and it was a total fail, okay? I'm so glad I left this camera on. That way you guys can get the ASMR video, but later you'll see my face when I realize that I never pressed record. Yep.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Now onto the dining area. We have just a few things we have to do. First one would be, again, picking up all the trash or any items that don't belong in the room. Then clean the surfaces, and of course take off the balloons from when baby Ollie arrived. As you can see, I have Ollie on me, and I was really trying to get these balloons off, and I couldn't reach, and I didn't want to wake him up, so of course I had to do a magic trick. Watch. Just kidding. Look what really happened. Hubby came and helped me out because I really couldn't do it. So he's my magic trick. Now off to the family room. This one's gonna be very simple as well. I will be putting all the cushions on one side so I can start vacuuming the sofa, then taking things off the table and clearing it out, taking off what doesn't belong, and yeah, pretty simple. And then we're gonna see some cute little fur babies of mine wanting to help me out. There is something about a clean kitchen that I cannot describe. It's the best feeling ever. It makes me feel like I have my life put together because it's literally the first open room that I see when I wake up. So when everything's crystal clear and clean, it feels really good. A fun fact about me is that I do not do dishes. I will put them away, I will organize everything, but the Joyful hubby is the one in charge of doing dishes in the Joyful household. I love this yogurt, and I also keep all the little jars, and I use them to either propagate plants or later on to actually plant some little seedlings or propagated plants. Do you do that as well? Do you keep your yogurt jars? For this season, I am loving the Mrs. Meyer's apple cider scent multi-surface cleaner. I am loving the smell so much, and it makes the counters so shiny. Now we're removing all the small appliances and putting them on the kitchen island so that we can really clean off all the counters on the other side of the kitchen. When deep cleaning the counters, I love to start with the vacuum first so we can get all the crumbs or all the big crumbs pretty much off instead of dumping on the floor. And then vacuuming, I just like to just skip that step and vacuum it directly. And then I can simply clean it and then disinfect it. Throughout the video, you must have already noticed, and if you haven't, you'll see right now that I bend down and kind of like look at the counter at eye level because I want to make sure that I'm getting all the gunk or all the crumbs out and nothing's getting left behind or stuck on it. I love how the counters ended up being so shiny. So now let's put back all the appliances. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.